Hello everyone. Today we are going to start learn degrees of comparison. Let me give the definition of degrees of comparison. A person, place or thing is compared to another or each other is called degrees of comparison. There are three degrees of comparison in English. They are positive, comparative and superlative. Let me write on the board. Positive, comparative and superlative. So, they are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Let me give examples. Hot, hotter, hottest. These are examples of degrees of comparison. Hot, hotter, hottest. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Good, better, best. Clear? Let us discuss in detail, but first let me rub the board and write. Positive degree. What is positive degree? An adjective without comparison is called positive degree. The positive degree is the base form, or we can say simple form of the adjective. Let us see examples. This is a good watch. Diamonds are precious stones. Third one, our house is large. The next and last one, Delhi is an expensive city. Here positive degrees are good, precious, large and expensive. So, we can say that in these four sentences, good, precious, large and expensive are positive degree, or we can say examples of positive degree. Why they are positive degree? Because of here there is no comparison. Clear? And they are in the simple form, base form of the adjective. They are in the base form, simple form of the adjective. What they are? They are adjectives. What is good? Adjective. Precious, large, expensive, these are all adjectives. They all are in their base form, simple form. There is no comparison. So, that is why they are called positive degree. Do you understand? Next, comparative degree. What is comparative degree? Comparison between two persons or two things is called comparative degree. The comparative degree is formed by adding er to the base adjective or by adding more before an adjective. Let me write er or more. Comparative degree, how it is formed? Comparative degree is formed by adding er to the base form, to the base adjective, hot, hotter, er, or sometimes more before an adjective. Let us see examples. This room is brighter than that room. Second one, I am more surprised than you are. Next, Kunal's watch is better than your watch. Next, a diamond ring more precious than a gold ring. Yes, really. So here in these 4 examples, 4 sentences, comparative degrees are brighter, ER, bright, brighter, ER. Then more surprised, more. In third example, better, then more precious. So here brighter, more surprise, better, more precious are comparative degrees. Why? Because of here there is a comparison between 2 persons, 2 things, and we have added here ER and we have used here more. So these are all examples of comparative degree. Do you understand? Let us proceed. Let me rub the board. Next and the last topic is superlative degree. What is superlative degree? Superlative degree is comparison between more than 2 persons or things is called superlative degree. Superlative degree is formed by adding est or most before an adjective. How it is formed? Superlative degree is formed by adding est to the base form, to the base adjective, and sometimes by adding most before an adjective. Clear? And apart from these, article the is used before superlative degree. Clear? Article the is used before superlative degree. Let us see examples. First example, this is the best watch I have ever used. Here, which is superlative degree? Best. Good, better, best. So this is the example of superlative degree. Before superlative degree we are using article the. So this is the best watch I have ever used. Then second one, diamond is the most precious of all stones. Here in second example, most precious, most precious. Either we use est or we use most. Then next, the Nile is the longest river in Africa. Here longest, long, longer, longest. Then next, Sumit is the shortest boy in our class. Here shortest, short, shorter, shortest. Before superlative degree we are using here article the, here as well. Then next and last one, Grace is the most trustworthy friend that I have. Here most trustworthy. So these are all examples of superlative degree. Hope it is clear to you. Okay? Do you understand? If you have any doubt, query, feel free to ask on my WhatsApp number. That's all for today.